more.
Oh, yes! Shit, I feel that down in my ass.
Oh, my soul left my body!
Put your hand right there, underneath right there. There you go. And like all the way back down. That's it. Let your head go down. Exhale. Drop. Go. Oh, it felt good, man. Damn. That felt good, man. Oh my God, I needed that, bro. I think you did, man. Yeah, man. Probably too much stress and too much alcohol and too much weed, man. I'm serious, man. I'm serious. I'm gonna put that up on Instagram. Yeah, put it on Instagram, man. Yeah, shit, man. Let's put it out. Oh my God. Right there. Oh man, that's good, man. Whew. I'm relieved, man. Yeah. Yeah, this is a little bit lower. Bend your head with me as far as you can. That's it, right? Mm-hmm. So I want you to relax right there. Good. Loosen the muscle. There. Shit. Oh, man.
Holy hell. Oh, I wasn't expecting it.
Deep breath in. And exhale. All that construction.
Oh shit, I feel that down in my ass. Oh shit. Oh man. Man, I'm glad nothing came out.
Turn your palms upwards. There you
go. Oh man. I thought my neck was gonna fall off.
Relax your shoulders. You alright?
Mm-hmm. Oh shit.
There we go.
Oh man. Sound like a bunch of Legos.
We down now. Relax, let the shoulders go over the same. Your ankles just kind of roll to the sides. Good. There you go.
Oh, good Lord. Woo. Woo. The hell just happened? Good Lord. All right, now I feel like I'm 40.
We're having to go low in this one because his head just going straight forward, right? So we're just pushing it. Oh, what the fuck? No!
No. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where I'm at. Like, I don't know where I'm at. Like literally my head feels like it's just like spaced out. Mm-hmm. Like I feel like everything just like coming back that wasn't there. It's weird. It's so weird. Yeah. It's so weird. I don't know how to explain it. Like
it's like you're getting your body back.
Yeah.
Let it go.
I was like, I don't even know. Like I'm even like mumbling right now. I was at work. It was muddy and I was lifting something and my right leg went to the right like because of the mud. I kind of felt something like pull. From there on it was just been like downhill.
How many years ago was that?
7 years.
Yeah. And now it's been affecting your life?
Yeah, a lot, especially like at work or activities with my children or with my wife. It's really tough, and especially like well-being of myself. I can't really work out or run because they'll just start and I'll be out for a week or so.
Let's try and touch the toes also. So it hurts.
Yeah.
Go as far as you can and just stay there. So that's it, right where that knees is, right?
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, it's like pulling like tight.
Lift the right leg up.
Oh boy. Ah.
Yeah. Scale from 0 to 10, how bad is that pain?
Maybe like an 8.
Okay, yeah, that's no good. Good. Let that right hip just kind of fall to the right side just a little bit more. Let it looser.
Wow.
10. There.
Man.
Yeah.
It feels like nothing, to be honest. I'm actually surprised.
Back. Let your head come all the way down, all the way back, all the way back, all the way back. Yep. There.
Ow! Oh my god. Feels good.
Might even get a little bit low.
Oh, a big crack.
Left shoulder down. There.
I feel great. Yeah, I mean, I feel way different from like when I woke up till now. I mean, it's like, wow.
Let's do that again, one more.
Yeah, nice trick. Wow, that was amazing. You thought you were fixed, but no, you're good now. I mean, it's just weird, you know, kind of forget that good feeling when you didn't really feel this much pain.
Open up your mouth a little bit.
Wow. Once you did that, I mean, it's like kind of like just
went
away, you know, it's just weird. It's surprising.
Put your hands on your stomach, let go.
Oh. I was like, I don't even know. Like, I'm even like mumbling right now. Oh.
Let's try and touch your toes real slow again.
I mean...
Do you remember where you started?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
I was like, yeah. I was struggling. Man, even like picking up like my kid, there was sometimes like a problem.
That hits your soul, you know?
Well, yeah, because sometimes, like, especially the little one, she wants you to carry her and you're like, yo, my hip hurts. Like, I can actually feel like the difference when I'm standing now. When I got here, like, this was hurting and then like my knee, but when you did that, it's like, I don't feel anything. It's weird, you know? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh
man.
my god.
So I'm gonna just... Alright. You just like Rubik's Cubes?
Oh my. Oh, you are sneaky. Wow. You used my Rubik's Cube against me. Oh my god. Oh.
Take your time.
Yeah. Like I said, I didn't know a body could do that. I mean, I watched videos, but to actually feel that, oh my god, that's a wonderful feeling. Oh goodness.
You deserve it. You needed this.
Yes, I did. It's just amazing how we neglect ourselves with the precious things we need, and this is much needed. Everybody needs to come in this type of treatment. I don't even want to hold my head down anymore to look at my phone. I think I'm gonna be like this.
You should. That's better. That's better for you.
Oh my god, I think that's part of the problem too. Not only the career, just the phones in general. Just always doing this. I mean, doing damage to the neck. I'm feeling great.
I said Rubik's Cubes not just because of her shirt, but if you turn this way, Ken, her purse is a Rubik's Cube, and it's one of the first things I noticed.
So you're adjusting my body like a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah,
It's
there's little
kinda
puzzles here and there, right?
Little puzzle.
Yeah, let it go more. Let it drop. You still hold it. Still hold it.
Oh.
Shit.
It's okay, babes. Got to the point where sometimes her arm would be on fire and she had to put it under cold water because of so much pain. I said, he's not going to make me cry. He's not going to make me cry. I feel good.
Honestly.
Oh, I have a new neck. Now I know what it feels like to be on this side. So I'm always watching and watching. I'm like, oh my God, that looks so good. I need that in my life.
It's not the pain that makes you emotional. It's really everything else that's associated with it. Your quality of life, your sleep, your energy, the relationships around you. And I know this because I've been in a ton of pain myself. Because it's just, you know, you're trying to get in any comfortable position that you can, and sometimes you just can't get there.
I've seen that one on TikTok.
Yeah. Let the air out. So just let the neck go with me, okay? Deep breath in. Let the air out. Try to bring your hands up a little bit higher. That's better.
Oh, yes! We did it! Wow! That's it. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, doc.
Just sit there.
Hey, I'm gonna jump up like that way. Okay. I'm gonna be able to touch my toes now.
Yeah, turn and face that way.
This way.
Let's go to the left.
Ooh. I don't even know how to describe it, but y'all need to come visit him for real.
Does that hurt?
Try, man. I used to be able to.
I know.
I used to do that whole Bruce Lee move. Now I can't even do that.
Yeah. And touch your toes. See what we've done.
No, get out of here. Did you see that? Yeah. Let me do a split. No, I'm just
Bend with me. So I want you to loosen your shoulders more.
Oh!
Yeah.
My soul left my body.
So loosen. So right in here. This is that area, right?
Oh my God! Oh Lord. Okay.
It's a good kind.
Oh my God. You got my eyes wide open now.
Yeah, your soul came back in, right?
Yeah, it did. I feel so much better.
You said, right, when you're coming into tingling in your hands, right?
Yeah.
How bad was your tingling? Rate it for me.
Normally it's like a 7.
What's it after that?
I don't feel it. Like for both of them now, I really don't feel anything.
Come on, that's good.
That's really great. Oh my gosh. I've been suffering for this for the past 6 months. This is awesome. It is amazing. Thank you. You don't know how much this means to me.
So your biggest thing is your feet. So the left one goes all the way down. The right one, not as quite far down as that's supposed to go. You alright? That hurt a little bit, right?
Yeah.
There he goes. Let's try to relax this right there. Good. Good. And let's try that again. And then do the right side. How does that feel?
Way better.
Yeah.
I can actually eat my right food now, not to just get on the bus, but to actually play with it too.
Yeah. How many years you been dealing with that?
Ever since I remember. I was probably like 13, 14. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Years of suffering, right?
Right. How do you think it was affecting your play?
You could feel it. Before you could use, play 2-3 games, but ever since that, 1 game at the most, and couldn't hold it because you could start feeling the pain on your ankles. But we're gonna test it out now. I'll come back with you now.
Loosen more. Why do you want to start powerlifting? Let me ask you that.
Just to help boost my confidence in myself.
Do you feel like it's done that?
Oh, yes.
I know that was part of mine growing up also. So how were you before you started lifting?
I was just to myself, just shy to go into people, and I guess you can say I was very socially awkward, maybe.
All the way back.
Oh. Oh, God. You okay? Still alive?
Yeah. That's better. Good. Loosen up that shoulder more. There you go. Loosen more. Awesome.
That's crazy. What? I just feel like my head's just loose.
Let the head drop. There he goes.
I feel like I'm 15 again.
Relax the neck. Oh, yeah. To the right. Yeah? All right. Look to the left. Come on. Now that's exactly what we wanted.
I'm ready. I'm ready to go to the gym.
Yeah. I'm going to get up top here. Turn this way. Now just relax here. You're going to bend this head down.
Hardest job I had today, man.
Good. Relax your shoulders.
Okay. I think I still make that infrared. Oh, you still
Good. Let it drop. Yeah, we're doing good here.
Oh man, yo. Woo! Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
I was wondering how it would feel, and like, it's as advertised, man. Something as advertised.
Oh, that was big.
That was good.
Both of them were pretty big. Now, we're going to do the Y strap on you, okay? Let your head fall down into this hand more. We have to come up.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was not expecting that. Oh, my face is on. Woo. I might need a break.
Yeah, take a break. Take a break.
A lot happened to me, a few car wrecks, fights.
How do you think it's impacted your life?
It'd be having me angry a lot, just being in pain and not being able to focus.
I think one of the things that you were saying to me that kind of just stuck out when we were taking the x-rays was that you realized you couldn't stand up straight. Go to the most comfortable position for you. That right there, that's your normal. Does that hurt at all when you do that? Like on that left side, all the way to the left? Does that hurt when you do that? All on that left side. And that was your biggest problem, was that left side, right? Good. Right in there, yeah. Does that hurt when you do that? I may be dripped out with these dunks and everything. There you go.
He said I was dripped out.
Yeah. Now, lift this left leg all the way up again.
Oh
Boy, wow.
I think I'm ready.
So right in there. Good. Good. Oh, yeah. Take your time.
Come on.
Yeah. Let's see. Your head this way. Good. There it is. boy.
Yeah, 5 minute nap out. It's crazy.
So we're gonna get right in here. Yeah.
You hit it dead on the spot.
Mm-hmm.
I'm alright, Doc. I'm just like,
I know,
you know,
take it a minute.
body just in shock.
Good. That same feeling where you just dropped your shoulders before. Oh my God.
Oh man. You knew what I wanted to do. Dr. Tubio. I'm gonna share the tip. I'm gonna tell everybody to believe the videos. He's the real deal.
It's been a while, huh?
Man, I don't think it, since my body felt this normal, like this. I'm telling you, I'm not even being dramatic. I feel better.
Drop the shoulders, just drop.
Like, I could lay straight now, but I ain't been in no pain. Like, I could never lay on my back. Like, I always have to, like, turn an angle. You're a blessing, man. Gifted for real. You gifted for real. I appreciate the pride you take in your job, man. That's what's up, man.
I do. You know, I feel, you know, this is just a calling for me more than anything. And I'd feel the worst if I was rushed, if I didn't care. You know, I think, you know, I said it before in another video where people are giving gifts. I truly believe like this is one of my gifts. And we're going to do it at 110 every time. Now look that way. Let's go. Man. Right there. That's good. Look straight. Yeah?
I'm not being dramatic. I feel better, man. This is crazy. I can't stop smiling. I've been thinking about this moment since I started watching videos, like, so you posting people turning their neck. I'm like, I can't wait to feel like that. It's like, it came true. That's crazy, man.
Yeah, dude. Hey, man, you believed, right? You had faith. And I'm telling y'all, when you have faith and you believe it's going to happen and you're prophesying and you're declaring that stuff's going to happen, it happens. I'm telling you. Turn your head this way. Actually moving well.
I swear that thing is always killing me.
You see that, right? Say ah.
Oh. 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 I might do it again. I've been trying to get that spot for like 6 months. It's been the bane of my existence. There are nights that I just like, I don't sleep because it hurts so much. We keep telling you thank you, pero I say gracias a Dios. Thank God. Okay. Enough of the theatrics. Let's go.